here and tie it.
Yeah,
Oh, careful, not that.
yeah, let me try.
Okay. Dump it on top of the snowflakes and the... Dump a lot.
Oh, they're like bath bombs. Whoa. Well, that's cool. What are those? What are those? Bath bombs?
No.
Then what are they? They're bathing or what are they? Mom, what are they? Bathing soda.
Baking soda
Yeah,
and
baking soda with food coloring. Oh, that's cool. It's melting.
Oh, look, there it goes, there it goes.
Oh.
They're seeping out the sides here.
Whoa. I wish I could touch it. It's really cool.
Go ahead, pick up one of the cookie cutters. Let it go. Put it back down there, see if it'll...
This is so cool. Wait, you might have to pop them out.
Yeah, go ahead.
Pop all of them out. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
You're probably gonna have your hands dyed.
Probably.
Yeah, that stuff will stain. You see Julian's finger? It's been like that for like 3 days.
This is really cool. Hey, I wonder what it turned like.
You want me to,
Yeah. That is really cool. At least this one worked. 10 seconds.
That's okay. I've reset the timer like 4 times because it wasn't done.
Seems like a dark purple.
They all kind of blended together.